Forester Wilderness is back for 2027, but it's got one serious upgrade. Today we're breaking down the top 5 things you need to know about the all-new 2027 Subaru Forester Wilderness. But before we get into that, here's a quick word from our sponsor.
You didn't compromise on your vehicle. Why compromise on what protects it? Upgrade to TuxMat. Laser measured for a flawless custom fit, TuxMat delivers premium edge-to-edge coverage that seamlessly matches hundreds of interiors. With 2.5 times more protection than the other guys, in our Tri-Force construction, dirt, snow, and mud don't stand a chance. Protect your investment and find your fit at AutoGuide.com.
Subaru didn't just slap some rugged-looking badges on this thing and call it a day. They gave it a raised suspension, lifting the ground clearance to 9.3 inches, paired with 17-inch wheels wrapped in Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires. The 2027 model boasts improved approach and departure angles, so you can tackle steeper, rockier trails without scraping your bumper. Under the hood is the most significant change on this thing. You get the new 2.5-liter e-Boxer hybrid engine pushing out 194 horsepower. But the secret off-road sauce is the revised CVT. Subaru shortened the final drive ratio specifically for the Wilderness trim. This gives you better low-speed climbing power when things get technical, plus it's rated to tow up to 3,500 pounds. Whether the tough body cladding and copper accents make the Wilderness trim look better is up for debate. But those accents highlight functional upgrades, like 4 towing access points and reinforced roof rails, which can now support up to 800 pounds while parked. While the interior still features that same 11.6-inch infotainment screen, the new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is a big upgrade. The best part for outdoor fans, though? The seats are wrapped in Subaru's patented all-weather StarTex upholstery. If you drag mud, snow, or dog hair inside, it cleans up in seconds. Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system is standard, but the Wilderness gets an upgraded dual-function X-Mode system. With dedicated settings for snow and dirt or deep snow and mud, the car essentially figures out the traction map for you. Just point it at the trail, pick your mode, and let the computers do the heavy lifting. Between the tech, the lift, and the towing capacity, this is one of the most capable Foresters ever built. So, is the 2027 Forester Wilderness your next adventure rig? Let us know down in the comments, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this.